Welcome to episode 3 of Pretty Good Meditation. I'm Matthew Tift. Our meditation today explores the concept of nature-centered living. No, this doesn't mean we have to go out into the woods to commune with nature or sleep in a field next to a yak. Rather, this is another method to tune into the ordinary state of how things are right now. So settle in to a comfortable position. Find a place that feels inviting and nice. Perhaps blink the eyes closed. The mind might be in the past or future, but the body is present here. Your body is your home base. Sometimes the body is a source of agitation or anxiety. Other times the body is relaxed. So get to know the body as it is right now. Bodies can be affected by sights, sounds, smells, and other senses. Scan your body to find out how are you doing today. Are your jaw muscles tight? Are your knees or shoulders sore? Receive all of the sensations as they are. Come home to the body. Be fully present for this moment. Feel the feet, the hands, the sit bones. It is quite possible to live happily in this moment, to feel at home in the present moment. We can approach each moment with mindfulness and wisdom. And notice that whatever you are feeling right now is ephemeral. It comes into being, then fades away. Our feelings are like everything else in nature. They come and they go. This is nature-centered living. Your thoughts are patterns of nature. They're not personal. We don't grasp these concepts intellectually. Rather, we can let go of this discursive thinking. We can find peace where we actually live our lives as if this moment is home. Not looking forward to getting something in the future, not concerned about losses or gains in the past. We're just here in this moment. No need to be concerned about me or my or mine. Nature focus is simply attuned to the ordinary, everyday arising and passing of all things. It is releasing what isn't helpful. So we continually practice to reestablish the attention in the present moment, to feel not disconnected, but connected, because we're all part of this natural order. The nature of this moment is connected to all of nature, transitory, ever-changing. In a moment, I will ring the bell 3 times, and after the 3rd ring, you might open your eyes, or perhaps allow yourself to stay in this state for as long as you would like.